Hello from Detroit. It's demo day, well the first one at least, at Larry the Duplex. This is the day I get to see if the bones are as good as I think they are, or if I'm in for some big surprises. This old 1924 home has lathe and plaster walls, and I'll definitely be getting into the action, but I'll be leaving most of the work to the team at All I Do Is Junk. In this demolition, I'm trying to keep as many interior walls intact, 1, to maintain character, and 2, to keep the cost down. But I will run all new electrical. So I score the wall just above the baseboard and up to 2 feet. This allows the electrician to go wild with the wires, and then the wall easily patches with 5/8 drywall. I know I have some leaks in the roof because of that old tree, so I want to see if that's compromised the joists. This is honestly one of my favorite parts. I get to really see what the house is made of, the weaknesses, and where some reconfiguring could help the overall flow. This house has been standing for 100 years. That's impressive after being abandoned at 90. And this is the beginning of building it stronger, more efficient, and hopefully more functional and beautiful than it has been for, well, the last decade at the very least. Next up are windows. So as always, follow my journey as a Canadian in Detroit.